Exact. So, Umar Bhai, this is the reference of Ruhani Khazain, volume 7, page 301, in which Mirza Ghulam Qadiani says, बेशक मुहद्दसियत एक खालिस मोहब्बत है जो शान नबूवत की तरह महज कसब के जरिए हासिल नहीं होती. He said that muhaddasiyat, which Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was claiming to have, i.e. the one who God speaks. He said muhaddasiyat is a pure gift. Khalis mohabbat is a pure gift. जो शान नबूवत की तरह महज कसब के, it says you cannot achieve. He said just like the prophethood, you cannot achieve this you cannot achieve this muhaddasiyat by your own action. अल्लाह मुहद्दिसीन से उसी तरह कलाम करता है जिस तरह नबियों से कलाम करती है. Allah converses with the muhaddis in the same way as Allah converses with the prophet, और मुहद्दिसों को उसी तरह मबूस करता है जिस तरह रसूलों को. It said that God appoints and raises the muhaddis in the same way as he raised or appoints to the messengers. And then he says at the end that if the door of prophethood was not closed, Umar would have become a prophet. And the other reference about when he said in his mother's womb, this is Ruhani Khazain, volume 22, page 70. This is the reference. He said that बल्कि शिकमे मादिर में मुझे अता की. He said, I have been given this blessing in the womb of my mother. Okay, and then there are many other references as well. So these were the two I mentioned. Ji Umar bhai.